Okay, John Dennis, on this particular problem, what we have here is we have a normal distribution of Persian cats with the mean of 6.1 and the variance for standard deviation 0.5. And I think you're okay with those first two from what I saw. Then it talks about the fact that 80 male Persian cats in this population. And then it determined the number of expected cat in this group that have a weight of less than 5.3 kilograms. Now, in this C part, you have to recognize we're still looking at this normal curve. We're not talking about groups of 80 cats in here. We're looking at the probability of one cat of being less than 5.3. So here's the 5.3, this probability. And if I find that probability, it says it's from here 0.054. That probability is the probability of one cat being less than that. And then I multiply it times 80 because I know that's the how many I would expect to be under that. I don't do this divide by root n because this normal curve, each dot underneath here refers to a single cat. If I want to divide by root n, the normal curve I need, each of these dots represents an average number of cats. So this is, let's say, an average of 80 cats, and this is an average of 80 cats, and this is an average of 80 cats. Then the standard deviation would be divided by square root of 80. I hope that helps. Maria and I talked about this question today. See if that helps.